Welcome back to part 2 of plants growth. In the previous tutorial, we've discussed how meristem cells allow the plant to grow and differentiate into specialized cells that have specific functions. But why is this differentiation important? So, in this tutorial, we are going to highlight the importance of cell differentiation in plants, and you guys will be able to explain how are specialized plant cells adapted to their function at the end of this tutorial. Have you ever guys wondered how can the plant absorb water and minerals from the soil and transport them all the way to the shoot and then transpire? All of these specialized functions are carried out because of cell differentiation. So, differentiation allows cells to develop certain features that enable them to perform specific roles and carry out different processes effectively. However, how are specialized plant cells adapted to their function? There are many kinds of specialized plant cells, each kind with a specific feature adapted to its function. The first example of specialized cells include the root hair cells. Root hairs allow the plant to absorb water and mineral salts from the soil. But how? How are these cells adapted for a certain function? Root hair cells have a long extension that reaches out into the soil to increase the surface area for absorption. Moreover, root hairs have thin walls that allow molecules to penetrate easily. Another example of specialized cells is the xylem cells. Xylem cells that make the xylem vessels help the plants move water and dissolved mineral salts quickly and easily from the roots to other parts of the plant. But again, how are these specialized cells adapted for this function? The first adaptation of xylem cells is that many cells are lost, such as the cell walls, to form a long, hollow tube. The second adaptation for xylem cells is that cytoplasm is lost to make the vessel empty. Moreover, tiny pores allow water and minerals to enter and exit easily. The last adaptation is that the walls of the vessel are thickened and strong to withstand the pressure of moving water. Another example of differentiated cells is the palisade cells. Palisade cells are found inside the leaves near the top surface. Their main function is photosynthesis. These cells are adapted for this function because they have many chloroplasts in their cytoplasm. And as we know, chloroplasts contain chlorophyll pigment that captures energy from light for photosynthesis.